This tutorial will help you to learn to use the introductory elements analysis to check and improve the punctuation in your composition. After typing your composition into Word or opening an existing document, click on the Writer's Workbench Analysis Programs button on the ribbon. To be certain that you have correctly punctuated introductory elements in your composition, use the Introductory Elements analysis. To do so, click on that button which is located at the top of the last column. When asked whether you want to continue, click on OK. Microsoft Word will disappear for a few seconds as Writer's Workbench prepares your analysis. First, read all of the text at the beginning of the analysis. When you reach the end of that text, but before you read through your sentences, click on the More Info button. Read through the More Info information which summarizes the STEPS programs and provides some examples. The rest of the analysis tells you how many of your sentences begin with those introductory elements and lists those sentences. In this analysis, the first word in each sentence is printed in all blue capital letters. That blue word indicates that the sentence probably begins with an introductory element. An introductory element should be set off by a comma. You must read each listed sentence to determine whether or not the introductory element or elements are correctly punctuated. The first sentence has two introductory elements. The introductory clause, if this is true, and the introductory word, then. The introductory clause is correctly followed by a comma. The introductory word, then, needs to have a comma inserted after it. To insert that comma in your composition, highlight the word, then, and click on Word Search. The word then is highlighted in your composition. Tap the right arrow key and insert a comma. Then, click on the View Analysis button to return to your analysis. As you read the next three sentences, you see that the introductory elements are followed by commas. However, in the fifth sentence, the introductory word eventually needs to be followed by a comma. You follow the same procedure. Highlight eventually and click Word Search. Insert the comma and return to the analysis. Writer's Workbench only highlights introductory elements at the beginning of a sentence. If your sentence is made up of two or more sentences, you will want to be sure that you insert commas after any introductory elements in the remaining sentences within the sentence. When you have considered all of the sentences listed in the analysis, click on the Close Analysis button. You would be wise to run the analysis again to be sure that you have made all the necessary corrections.